Hello guys, I am Tanurima and you are watching my YouTube channel. My channel is all about three things: beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So today I am back again with another video that is quite interesting because uh, that is a makeup tutorial. You can say that because you can see my makeup. So this is so simply makeup and I really love this because whenever I have like 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, then I used to do this makeup because it's really simple. You can see this is this really natural and simple makeup. Let's get started. After moisturizing and with lactocalamine, I am starting with this product. This is I said this is I am using my finger to done my makeup. You can use your concealer brush, but I don't have. I say that this is a makeup that needs a minimum time, so I am using my fingers. So I am starting with my eye area. So just like minimum amount, but wherever you have your dark circles or dark patches, you have to use this product. I hope that you can see that the difference between this size and this size. You can see how much it covers your dark circles or any kind of dark patches. So that is like that. So I am just I really love that product because it's like blend really well. I really love that product, and it's like not full coverage, but I said as before, it's covers your all dark circles or any kind of dark pigmentation you have on your skin. It covers really well. Something else, here, small amount. You can see how much my skin looks so bright than before after using this glasses. Then as I say that you need like your own compact or any kind of powder to set it in. I have this like I am using here Fit Me compact Matte Plus Poreless compact powder. So there, so you need to puff and just dab it on this area where you used the product to set the product well. I'm also using this compact on my eyelid because I used this product on my eyelid. So that is all. So that is just like that. You can see. So that's all. I am using this entire my face because I am not today I am not using any like compact any foundation or any kind of thing. I am using just this Miss Clary's full coverage makeup orange corrector as an orange corrector to hide my all dark circles or dark patches. And after this I am setting with my own compact powder, so you can use your as I'm done with my base or like simply makeup. Now I need to do my eye makeup. Nothing, just you need to do you can use your sketch liner or I'm in hurry, I say that. So I'm using my sketch liner to do my eye makeup. I'm not doing very heavy makeup. I'm doing a simply wing liner. As you can see there, I am just use this sketch liner to done my to do my eye makeup, to do simply pink. So that's all to mine. For me, that's all. I'm done with my eye makeup. Just like you need a blusher, I am using here Maybelline Color Show blush. So this is my really loved blush. Just take your uh, brush and just dust off the excess powder. Just put some blush on your cheeks. Need small amount of like really small amount of. I am using small amount of. You don't need any, just like just don't need any. You don't need to contour your skin, face on like that. I'm done with my blusher. Highlighter. I really love highlighter too. I'm just doing this like just you need to do just highlight your nose area, this area to highlight, because you need to just do this. See, I don't need any, like after highlighting my face, that's all done. I am just like almost done with my makeup. Just I need to highlight my like this area, because this is so important to look so nice and so good to look like. I am doing my makeup with this minimum amount of makeup and very fast. So what I am doing now, that is the what I use as my contour. To do my contour, I am just using my contour shade on my eye area to just like give the natural finish. That's all. Nothing. I am using my fingers all to do done my makeup. So that's all. So last of all, you need to use mascara. So I'm here just using my mascara. That's all. I'm done with my makeup. Any kind of dark or red or any kind of, because I say that's before. So as I say, that's all. So before going out, you need, and this last touch up, that is my taking my compact and just dab it this area to like highlight your face. That's all. You need to highlight just. I don't need. I think I'm ready with my makeup and simply done makeup. I just like I'm done with my makeup. I don't need so much makeup. You can see that I don't use so much product. So I'm ready. I need like last thing, that is my earring. I need to wear my earring. This is really really favorite earring of mine. Sorry, but I do. So that's all. I am ready to going out. So you can see that is so easy and quick. You don't need many products to do your makeup but this look is very natural and very good. I think that, and if you like my look, then you can just do your makeup in this way. So again, I am showing that what product I have used. That is Miss Clarice full coverage makeup. I hope that you can see. That is the first product. Second, I used my Maybelline Fit Me New York Fit Me Poreless this compact. This is loved by me. Really, really very good compact. And the blusher, I really love this blusher. This is Color Show Blush Maybelline. That is really, really very much favorite. I hope that you can see. And the mascara, I really love the iconic mascara, Lakme iconic mascara. And the liner, that is a sketch liner of by that is, I don't remember what company is, but it's really very much favorite of mine, and it's really very much long lasting, and I really love this liner. So that is all. And I used my sorry, I used my highlighter. That is the favorite highlighter of mine. That is Lakme Master Contour. Yes, Master Contour by Face Studio. That is really really favorite of mine. There are 3 shades too. You can this highlighter, use it highlighter as a blusher, or you can do it with this product. You can do your contouring. So that's all. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries about these products, or about this makeup look, and if you want to any kind of look tutorial, makeup tutorial, then you can comment below. And you can also send me mails. My mail ID, I will link it, like I give it down below, my mail ID. So until I upload my next video, tata, bye bye, and take care, and lots of love.